Earlier, I told you that it's better to group related state variables inside an object. So here in the app component, I've used the state hook to create a drink object with two properties, title and price. Now, in this component, we have a simple button. When we click on this button, we want to update the price of the drink. Now, when dealing with objects and arrays, you should remember to treat them as immutable or read-only. So in this event handler, we don't want to modify any of the properties of this drink object. So we don't want to set the price to 6 and then call setDrink and pass the drink object. This is not going to work. So if we render drink.price here, now look, if we click on this button, nothing happens. So React doesn't detect any changes. To tell React about state updates, we have to give React a brand new object. So instead of updating an existing state object, we should give React a brand new state object. So here we create a new drink. First, we need to copy the title of this drink object. So we set title to drink.title. And then we change the price to 6. And finally, we will pass the new drink to the setDrink function. With that, if we click on this button, the state gets updated. So just like props, we should treat state objects as immutable or read-only. Now, in this example, we have a very simple object with only a couple properties. But what if we had 10 properties here? We don't want to copy all those properties. That's very tedious. So instead of copying all these properties, we can use the spread operator in JavaScript to spread the existing drink object. This will copy all the properties of this drink object into the new drink object. And then here we change the value of the price property. Okay. Now in this example, we don't even need to create a separate object. So let's delete these few lines. We can simply create a new object here. First, we spread the existing drink and then we update the price to 6. That's better.